You need to tell us, what do you think is the most important message in the book?
I think the most important message in the book is the fact that Rujuta has even written a pregnancy book. I think everybody writes diet books, exercise books, yoga books. Of course, Rujuta has also done, I think, one of the biggest books to have come out of India, How Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight. I think this is a one of a kind because, I mean, for every woman, I think everybody's a little nervous, anxious, scared the first time you become a mother, the first time you get pregnant. So an informative book which guides you through, I think, the journey, which is so very special, which you get a lot of jitters, nervousness, sometimes you overeat, undereat. There's so many things taking place during pregnancy. So I think this is literally going to be a pregnancy Bible for a lot of women. And I'm so happy that we've done this together, and I'm here today to launch this book that's finally out. It's an exciting moment, and I'm sure this one's going to be even bigger than Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight.
Well, thank you for that. But, you know, we've been together since Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight. And I think, like all the trends that you have propelled, Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight also propelled another trend of, you know, actors endorsing diet books. Don't you think so?
Yes, I mean, of course. I think that definitely, I think that was the first time that I think, you know, we actually so openly had written about the diet fads and what kind of right eating was about. I think in India, everyone was very averse to eating right. Everybody thought they were eating right, but nobody was really implementing that. And the fact that when Rujuta really came out and openly spoke about, you know, how women actually, and not just women actually, I think even men, they lose their mind more than they lose inches on their waist. Because people in the gym ke mare ja rahe, 4 ghante mare ja rahe, कि क्या हो रहा है? But nobody is really losing weight. So I think the idea being is that, you know, you have somebody to guide you, and I think, yes, ever since then, there have been gazillions and thousands of books after that.
Yeah, so in a way, you actually made the book industry got them rolling. Huh?
Yeah,
there was no such thing as a diet section, Pele. Now there's a health section.
There have been a lot of firsts. Yeah. No? And especially with me, including the paparazzi and the media, if I would like to take credit. The whole gym session, the whole gym look. तुम लोग ने क्या यार पूरा रीबॉक एडिडास नाइकी खाली हो गया सब मेरे घर पे है कि यार एवरी डे वो प्रेशर हो गया कि कुछ पहनो कुछ नया पहनो करीना ने क्या पहना है जिम में सो एवरीथिंग देयर इज अ फर्स्ट हाँ सो इट्स फाइन बट इट्स ओके आई लव इट एंड आई लव माय फोटोग्राफर्स एंड प्लीज फॉलो मी एंड प्लीज क्लिक मी आई डोंट केयर
and as much as you want. The book is also meant for women who are working and to really ensure that women do take the time off to look after themselves. Because like she rightly said, a happy mother is the best mother that a child can have. And not a skinny mother is the best mother that a child can have, you know. And happy women invariably look fit and are healthy and are, yeah.
Absolutely. I think that's so important. You know, I mean, because being a mother, of course, carrying the child for 9 months, then giving birth, looking after the child after that. I think there's a lot that comes into it, lot that comes into play, you know, mentally, physically, hormonally. So many things are taking place, you know, which I think even women sometimes don't even know what they're going through. So I think the most important thing is that to figure out an eating plan, eat right, eat every 2 hours, eat the right kind of food. In fact, in the book, what is most important is that you've given tips on each trimester, which is, I think, brilliant. Because so many different things are actually taking place in each trimester, you know. The last trimester being for the brain development, which is actually so important. So what exactly will help for that? I think all that information is out there.
And another very important message that we want to send out there is that too many women obsess only about what to eat once they're pregnant or after they have delivered, because, you know, they would just like to quickly lose that weight. But what is of paramount importance is that what is it that you were eating much before you got pregnant, because your pregnancy and how quickly you get back in shape post-delivery is very much dependent on what kind of health status you had before.
Your fitness levels, basically, how, you know, of course, eating right, exercise. It's been a combination of that, even pre-pregnancy. Of course, Rujita being one of the first ones that I called when I actually made up my mind that I wanted to have, a child. Yeah. I actually called her up and I said, listen, this is what I'm planning. Obviously, don't tell anyone, but let's work towards it because I really want to be fit. And, if I'm fit before that, I think that it's, I'm going to sail through. And, of course, with the support of, so many people, everyone, my friends, family, Rujita, everybody, I think it's been a well-documented pregnancy and a pregnancy that I think has just, flown by. So it's actually made me feel that, wow, okay, I can. Maybe should I do it again?